in the future. Example 2. She will be very happy when she sees you. Number 3. They will be at the party tonight. Number 4. The weather will be sunny tomorrow. Number 5. He will be late for class. Number 6. You will be successful if you study hard. Number 7. We will be in Cambodia next week. Number 8. This city will be more modern in 10 years. Again, this city will be modern in 10 years. Number 9. The children will be tired after the trip. Number 10. My best friend will be with me forever. Okay. You will not in